When it comes to starting a t-shirt business or any graphic business, it all starts with great artwork. Right now, I'm here at Corel Trainer with my man Dave. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Basement T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help you start t-shirt business from home, wherever you at. And we're gonna learn all about Corel right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what you do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Because Dave, I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. All right, man, we're here in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Graphics Pro Expo. Man, first and foremost, thank you guys for sponsoring the Start Here Academy, man. It was a great event. We had a packed house. I gave my first keynote speech, man. I was really motivated. But tell us a little bit about the company.
So the biggest part about us is you learn Corel Draw inside Corel Draw at your own speed, your own time. In Corel, you learn. All you got to do is go here real quick, check out the screen, and you add a tab to your Corel Draw. We're talking college level education. I give you royalty-free artwork, unlimited, if it's internet-based. Teach you how to bitmap to vector trace. Those video shorts, you know what YouTube is, guys. Quick 4-minute answers for this industry. All the beginner courses, intermediate, and you can even ask us questions directly in Corel Draw by pressing this button. You can call us, you can text us, you can email us, we can connect computers, show you guys how to excel in Corel.
So, a lot of the new people coming into the industry may not know what Corel Draw is, so tell them what it is.
You know, Corel is basically the same thing as Adobe. The difference is PC and Mac. It's personal preference. You don't have to have Corel, and you don't have to have Adobe. If you're Mac-based, stay with Adobe. PC-based, I would recommend Corel Draw.
All right, so listen, artwork is the #1 thing, and it's nothing better than not having to be like, go on search on YouTube for some videos and try to find the right trainer, because they built it right into the system so that you guys can learn. So any special features or anything that we should know about the software?
You know what? It's all very special. I got to be honest with you because it's very industry specific. Anybody can go to YouTube and try to find out halftones. The problem is you got to watch an hour video. We give you those quick 4-minute answers, and you can contact us 24/7. Any questions you have.
That sounds good. Listen, I don't even know how to do halftones, and I've been pretty. You don't really need to know how to do all the things that you need to do to start this business. But if you want to get into artwork, you're gonna need to start somewhere. And this, checking it out, is a great system if you want to learn how to get into Corel Draw. Like you said, it's the same standard pretty much across the board. You can do the same things in all programs. You just gotta pick one and you gotta learn. And he's made it easy to learn because I know how you guys fumble around in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So thank you for having me at your booth, man. Go ahead and check them out. Let the people know where they can find you.
CorelTrainer.com, guys.
All right, guys, it's been your boy Stan Basement T-Shirt Size. Any questions, put them down in the comments, and I'll link his information in the description. Peace.